ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Kandiat benai hadian ke Jinglong MP usaleng sang mau bami khmat ia katura parliamentary seat ulalap bagi don shibun ki scheme MP ya ki balatip kum ki members of parliament local area development scheme kidang yai Sahteng nadu Snem arajar hadu kani ke kenti bamenta ya gani usaleng sang ma ulakren hadian balawai ke jingyalang balakhot dau chief secretary ubadairu chairman ban kertiang din ya ke Mplad scheme usaleng ulakli balai ba wat hadian Hapoh Snem gidang don shibun ki kam ki balayok na ke Mplad scheme ki badang Sahteng klempendep bat ulapan pauru ba umtip balai ke jakum ni ya ki scheme ki batang Hapoh shipho lak tengka.
Chief Secretary called as a chairman for the Mplad scheme to review all the pending works from 2000. There are pending works from 2002 to 3 like that. Till then, so we have reviewed, and then Chief Secretary has already apprised all the DC and then directed them to make sure that all the pending work should be finished by this December itself. They might have reviewed again and again, but I don't know. I was wondering also why after 20 years also still have that pending work of Mplad. It is just a mere, very small amount to be implemented. I don't know what's wrong with the system. Otherwise, 22 years is not it's a joke actually to finish such a small work. Much, some of them are 50, some of them are like 3 lakhs, some of them are like 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And one of the funniest part is that Dambo from the Rongjeng also there is one. There was supposed to be a Dambo college where they have already spent around 8.50 lakhs out of 10 lakhs, and yet it is not completed. Actually from 2014-15 and then 2020, 2002-3 like that till 2023, 22-23. So there's a lots of projects. Few projects are still pending. I'm not saying all the projects are still pending, but there are lots of projects needed to be cleared out. Some of them are 20 years, some of them are 8 years, some of them are 10 years, like that. Maybe the predecessors might have given to the wrong beneficiaries, or maybe because the implementing agency has to look after whether they are doing it or not. Okay, but it's the it's the beneficiaries who are supposed to do the project correctly. I cannot ascertain right now because it's already everything is on lease. We've got the list right now. They have already produced the list of all each and every district. From district wise, it differs from one district to another district. Since this is my first time along with the state nodal agency, implementing agency, so I just watch how the functioning was, and then it struck me actually why the small works are still pending till then. I was wondering. I thought they might have a meeting about the new rules, new schemes, but it's a review about the older schemes which was not yet completed. Comparatively, actually, Mplad scheme is a very small scheme. Okay, it is just to fill up the gap where some of the area it is some of the area which are not getting from any other scheme, like for example PWD or maybe PHC or from the other soil department or maybe from the education department. So those fill up the gaps. So it's only 5 crore for the whole district. Like for example, in my constituency there are 5 districts which we have to look after the whole the whole area, and then moreover here also. Likewise, it's not that big, but still, whatever, it will definitely benefit the people at large. Chief Secretary has given a timeline that all those pending works should be, they should be able to give the UC by December or by November at last. I think at the end of this November. It's only a 5 crore for the whole entire district. And then moreover, they have split it into small project. Like some of the schools are being benefited, some of the colleges are being benefited, and some of the areas are being benefited out of it. It's the beneficiaries, because after all, the implementing agency will look after that one only, and then like maybe they might have gone into the wrong hand. You never know. Maybe that's why the implementing the project are not yet successful till then. I don't want to blame anybody right now.
Previous MP did not do much.
No, previous MP has already given to most of the beneficiaries project, but it seems like the beneficiaries has not completed their work.
There is a collusion between the beneficiaries and the...
Now only when you go to the ground only I will know, because this is my first time meeting, and then I have not been able to go down to the ground and then see the project by myself. So I don't want to blame anybody at all. There are good projects to be looked into. Definitely I will go and then see whether those things are materialized or not.